Hey, what's up guys, it's Zach, and today we are going to be playing Among Us. And I've never played this on my channel. I have played it before, so don't worry. So we're just going to be joining into a random server. So let's just join into this one. We are in here, and guys, it looks like we're actually really slow. Hopefully they change the player speed, or else it's going to be a very slow game. Long task 1, common task 1, short task 2. Looks like there's a bunch of people in this server now. So, it looks like we're about to start. Hopefully, guys. Oh, and we're about to start, and it looks like actually somebody left. So, I guess we're starting now. Hopefully. Here we go, guys. Hopefully we get imposter one of these rounds. And we are a crewmate, so we are gonna go. Let's go down. Let's go down to storage. Go down to storage. Go fuel the tank. Hopefully nobody thinks I'm sus, cause I'm not even the imposter. So before we go up there, we're gonna run up here to electrical. Let's do the wires. Oh, what the heck is going on here? Alright. So we're gonna... Guys, what just happened? Guys, I'm guessing that the killer left. So that was an easy win. Very easy one. Guys, I don't know what this is. But let's press close again. So looks like we're black this time. I don't really like being yellow, but it's okay if I'm not yellow, because I still like the color black. So 3, 2, 1. Shh. Alright, guys. So I am the imposter. Oh, I don't know what to do now. Once everybody's over here, I'm gonna sabotage O2. I'm an easy O2 win right here. So I'm gonna go down to O2. I'm gonna stay there trying to kill anybody who goes there. Oh, they got it. Alright, so I'm gonna go in here. Okay. Get in the vent. So I came out here. Guys. So we are here. They found the body. Okay, guys. Where? Oh, I feel bad. No. It's not me. No. You just said that blue and gray were dead. I'm just gonna skip the book. Guys, I think they know it's me. Guys, they caught me. How? I thought I was so sneaky. I hate being the imposter because I literally can't keep a secret, guys. I didn't know anyone was there. And I vented. I didn't know anybody was there when I vented. I was confused. Oh well, probably. Okay, so we're gonna try to start this game. It looks like they actually turned the player speed up to the regular player speed. Oh, guys, I thought we were gonna get lucky too. Nobody's left. Oh, I'm gonna see if I can get somebody to follow me. Everyone, come to med bay. Everyone, come to med bay. I have scan. I have scan. So guys, I want to try to get them. Okay, let's go to medbay then. Who we voting? I'm gonna say skip. Okay, so we all skip, and they're gonna follow me to medbay. So hopefully they know that I'm not the imposter after I do this medbay scan. So I did my medbay scan. So they all saw me, so I think they can all verify that I am not the imposter. So let's go down here. Let's go down here and let's go down to navigation. Let's just download this. The tasks are very short. But there's a lot of them. Oh my god. Guys. Where? Green was killed. I think we all know that though. Black is innocent. I can remove red and pink. Red, pink, and orange saw me do mid scan. Everyone saw me do med scan. Everyone saw me do med scan. Some women can't say nothing. I'm just gonna skip, guys, cause guys, we have no. How come me red and pink are out? So if it's not me, black and pink, somebody voted for me, guys. This is so weird. No one was ejected. No imposter still remained. So guys, we're gonna go down. We might have to do a part 2 of this Among Us, cause Brad Chad. see them in the corner of my eye. One of them kills, I'll know. Actually, to be honest, I think it might be blue. He ran out the room and started chasing. Oh, he was pink right here. So all the tasks are actually in navigation. Yeah. Let's run down. I think they all know that I'm innocent, because they literally watched me do scans. So. Oh god, guys. I hope they're not trying to kill me now. Alright guys, let's run down here. A dead body. Red. Where? Guys, I wonder where the body was. Storage. Okay, I was in cafeteria. I was in cafeteria. As you guys know, I actually was in cafeteria. Orange ran away, but then we vote orange then. It ain't me, blue, pink, or black. Wasn't me. I don't know. Well, I'm just gonna vote for orange, guys, and let's see. Guys, it's not orange! That means it has to be. Oh god, I think it might be. Pink. I'm gonna finish my tasks. No, I'm just gonna follow pink. No, I'm not gonna follow pink. That'll make me look sus. You know, everybody saw me do medbay scan. Oh god, guys. They just... It's yellow. What? Okay, why? Guys, I'm just gonna trust. So I voted. Oh my gosh, guys. Pink got voted off. Wait! I actually voted yellow. Because they said to vote yellow. OMG. Time to press leave game. Bye. That is at the end of it, guys. The end of this clip. If you guys want to see another Among Us video, make sure to hit that like button. And I will see you guys in the next video. Among Us, Roblox, Minecraft, you name it.